Here is lesson 25 for snare. We will play numbers 60 and 61. Alright, number 60 is actually very, very easy for snare. Because for this one, we just have to play a straight rhythm. For the bells, it's a little bit more difficult. But we're just going to play that rhythm. Okay, you should have already looked through it. You should be ready to go. So, number 60. You know how Jingle Bells. You know how Twinkle, twinkle, little star. I don't know why it took me so long to think of that. You know how Twinkle, twinkle, little star goes. Twinkle, twinkle, little star. That's the wrong pitch. Twinkle, twinkle, little star. Okay. So that's the tempo we're going to play. Let's do it. 1 and 2 and ready and go. Now, you may have noticed that you got lost. If you did, then you need to look through and see how many times you do each of those two measures. If you count carefully, you'll see you do them 6 times. 1 and 2 and 1 and 2. First one, 1 and 2 and 1 and 2. That's the second one. All the way up 6 times. Okay? Alright, number 61. I hope you spent plenty of time practicing this one because I did. Okay? Let us first talk through 61 and then we'll play through it. Alright, first thing, you have to get right sticking. Have to get right sticking. You can't change the letters around. 2, you have to make sure you get everything there. Do you get your accents? Do you get the buzz? Do you get the flam? Okay? There is no flam tap, so we just have flams. Okay? So when you play, make sure you get all of it right. So on and so forth, okay? All right, let's try it slow. Here we go. 1, 2, ready, and. Okay, you'll notice the first couple measures I got my sticking wrong. And you notice I kind of messed up. You have to do it the way that the sticking is written on here, or it's going to be more difficult. Okay? Before we try it a little bit faster, let's talk about our code word. Our code word is fermata. We saw that, I believe, 2 pages earlier. Nope, even earlier than that. But our code word is fermata. F-E-R-M-A-T-A, fermata. All right. Now let's play number 61 a little bit faster. I'm thinking about the speed. About that speed. Here we go. 1, 2, ready, and. Did you get it correct? Make sure your sticking is right. Make sure you do the multiple bounce strokes. Make sure you get your accents. Okay, and your flams. Okay, you have to get all that right, or we haven't done the number correctly yet. All right, that was lesson 25. Thanks for joining me.